channel. It's been a while, but we're in Stelzer. We're in Stelzer, Wisconsin. I came back to the family farm. Dad lives in that woods right there, but let me show you. It's a farm that's been in the family for, well, forever. And barns have been empty for a while. But we bought some heifer calves. So I'm getting ready to go get the skid steer, get that manure out there, and then hopefully the store would be open, or at least we can get in there. We got some stuff there. We got a field of wheat to plant, and then we got an open area back there. We want to work up for alfalfa, and then if we get that far, we'll check the weather and maybe tet some hay. Um, well, while we're here, it may save. We've been chopping triticale. We got a pretty good sized field. Almost everything's down there. So weather-wise, today's good. We have hay to tet down there, and we might. I'm hoping Dad gets in the mower and maybe starts mowing. That way we can chop some more. Uh, and go from there later. And then, being that this spring we won't be able to plant alfalfa to this spring, we'll uh, we'll work up back there in the back. There's an open area we want to work up and plant it, but we got the seed. We got the seed. Um, we'll show you some stuff. All right, I think we got it all. Yep. So, but yeah, this is a map that I've been wanting to get playing on, and when I seen the beta version came out, uh, and I knew it would be better than the testing versions and stuff, and well, I found the farm I really liked. We'll take a tour of it first before I get the truck hooked up to, and there's some things I did add to it to make it good. Um, I don't know if my voice is being heard much. Well, I've been fighting with the mic on this. And that was the one thing that's been stopping me from doing a lot of the videos and stuff is that. But we'll and I've been fighting a cold and a new job and stuff, but um it doesn't show that it needs a driver on this computer, but you know, hey, whoa. I also need to buy a mower. The one downfall is we do have a $65,000 loan hanging up over our head right now, and we got to figure out how to pay that. Um, Part of me, well, this is the lime and fertilizer we emptied out of the sprayer or the spreader once we got that filled done, which I think we're going to get before we do any chopping. We're definitely going to work on getting um, the stuff at the store, which is let me get the old girl started up. Um, which is oh come on. let's show you around a little bit. The red barn right there, the big one. That is where um the milking cows will go. I'm hoping that maybe this fall we can get that going. Dad did get some stuff into that. Let me stop right here real quick. This is going to be where a lot of the livestock feed and stuff is. I think we've got some stuff in here. We're going to get a feed cart for inside there. Um, yes, we have silage and high moisture corn. Um, we're going to get some bags of feed or of stuff or whatever in there to feed with the hay, and putting the hay in there and go from there. We don't. They're going to definitely have the high moisture corn in there. Now back here, we do have the newborn calf pens and the heifer pens. Um, I added those newborn calf pens over there, and this is where the heifers will be. Now back here, I'll park right here right now. We have these bags are full of grass still and silage. Um, they're still making the silage with the grass is still converting. Um, the gravity wagons. We have these bins back here. It's full of cracked corn, cottonseed, and bean meal. And that is this is the heifer food, calf food, that mixture. Um, but that also being said, part of the $65,000 loan we did, we well, we'll show you that too. But first, let me hook up to the gooseneck because we'll go pick up what we bought for the $65,000 first, and then the store could be open. One thing MRG has done with this is things open at certain times. I've learned that just by getting the fertilizer and stuff. That well, when I went there, I could not get in. Well, I got in. I just couldn't buy what I first wanted. All right, let's make sure that's all hooked up. Yes, it is. So I'll run with the tailgate down. It's got enough clearance. Um, I think we we found out our skid steer's not tall enough to get in our mixer. So next to our triticale field is another fertilizing facility, I guess you could say. It's not just a co-op where I can buy feed. Also, we deal with them a lot more, just because um, it's a one-place shop. I mean, kind of thing. Um, but we do. Whoa! Hey, guess what? I'm in my bean field. I am going to do this so I don't mark it up too much. But I shouldn't been. I was looking at something, and yeah, that that was bad. That was really really bad. Um, But hey, we're gonna go there. We're gonna see what we can load, um, and go from there. This video may not be the full length that I've normally done, but I wanted to get something pushed out. I have a 3-day weekend, so there might be more pushed out for later this week. These 3 days, but I wanted to get something going for you guys to see, uh, and go from there. Because, like I said, new job, being sick, computer going down, and then seemed like I was having other issues that needed taken care of, and I don't think my mic is still pretty high, but we're going to try it. And if you guys perchance know why, um, let me know, because as I said, I've done driver's checks and everything, and it's just not going good. But we don't deal with this place much. But I'll show you the Triticale field that we've been working on. And then we've got another Alice coming, a 190 XT, and that Gator. Uh, I'm gonna turn it off. We'll put that rant down later. But yeah, we've mowed this down, and we're probably going to do hay in it. This down here, we may chop some more. Um, but also being said, the co-op we deal with said he has a guy that's wanting seed. So if we get chopping later today, we might take half of this and let the other half go for the combine. But yeah, this is where we've been working a lot. Um, oh, let's turn that off. I don't know why it was on. Um, Hopefully we have enough gas in there. We may have to drive back to the farm. Well, that's what I'm going to have to set this. Well, probably after lunch. We're going to get some hay bales off of it for those calves. Let me jump in here, get this thing start. Get that started, and well, not down yet. Whoa, boy, we're having all sorts. That's why. Now, well, we'll have to do this. Some reason it's not letting me out. Well, huh. That's all working. Well, it's saving. We might have a problem. We might be locked in vehicles. We may have to end the video here. Um, hmm. We'll see what happens after it saves. And I think that's just something's going on. So we're going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Um, we'll see what's going on. But thanks guys. Thanks for watching.